Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Now, remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. And these things notify the fire department to come and put the fire out. So these things not only save people's lives, but they save buildings from being burnt to the ground. So they should never ever be messed with. Never ever act like Mikey from Darman because he pulled the fire alarm to skip a test. And guess what happened to him? That's right, he got arrested. If you don't want to end up like Mikey from Darman, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Tampering with fire alarms is a very serious crime. If you have your own fire alarms at home, then it is okay to mess with them, but in a public building like a school, it is absolutely a felony to mess with them. So, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason, or else you will end up like Mikey from Darman. Bye.